Welcome to my new blog post 13. And in this blog post, I'm going to talk about generalization with respect to database entities, uh, conceptual hierarchy. So let's start. So when we talk about the generalization, just keep one thing in mind that generalization is more like a bottom-up approach in which two or more entities of lower level combine to form a high level entity. So if they have some attributes in common. In generalization, an entity of a higher level can also be combined with the entities of lower level to form a further higher level entities as well. So in generalization is more like subclassing and superclass system, but the only difference is the approach that generalization use the bottom-up approach. And in generalization, entities are combined to form more generalized entities. Subclasses are actually combined to make a superclass. So let's understand these 4 points with example. For example, I have Toyota, Mercedes, and Tesla. What is actually common in them? Because these are basically cars. So when I actually combine them, so I will get a superclass car. So this is something like something which is actually going to be happen in database as well. Like if I have entities like Toyota, Mercedes, Tesla, I can actually journalize them and put them into one super class named car. So there's another example, like for example, like there's a facility and student are there, and then we can actually can generalize this hierarchy into more higher level entity, for example, person, right? So there are so many examples that we can actually go for them. One more example that I can actually also give you right now is like there are birds, which is actually going to be a superclass, and the subclasses that actually form the birds, like for example, crow, pigeons, and sparrows. So these kind of birds actually can make a one superclass called birds. So this is called the generalization concept. So I am positive that you will get the concept about the generalization in this video.